Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset the text-to-speech output on your Samsung Galaxy or Samsung smartphone device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the accessibility tile. And then underneath screen reader, select talkback, and then scroll down underneath options and select settings, and then select text to speech settings, and then select the reset button down here in the bottom. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.